Yeah, I've got you on about a 5.5, riding about a 5.5 at the moment, Drew, but sounding good, my friend, QSL. Yeah, you too. For the moment, anyway. Let's hope it stays blessed for us, QSL. Yeah, I'm just checking the DNR level. I think it's a bit high on this radio, Drew. You're on the Vector, you say now? Okay, well you dropped down to a signal 1 there, Drew. Switch it back to the Astroplane. Let's see if there's a difference today. Oh my, yeah, that Astroplane, Drew. What can I say? Yeah, that's brought your signal back up. Yeah, Roger. Well, it's still swinging a little bit, Drew, back and forth from about a 2 to a 5 on the Astroplane, but on the Vector you drop down to a signal 1, QSL.
QSL, cousin. I have a nice copy on you. It's the same deal. I think I'm hearing you better than you're hearing me, as always. Okay, I'm on the side.
Okay, Drew, I've got all of that on that last over. Just forgetting there. Alright, my friend, I'll just hang on a few more minutes and we'll go again, my friend.
Copy on that, 444, New York 202's on the side.
Yeah, Richard, I did hear you in the back of the set there. Can you hear me, my friend? Yeah, just like my hand in there, Greg, 444. Yeah, it's lots of stuff at the moment there, my friend. A little bit of activity on the band, I think, outside, but not to hear there, my friend. I did hear Drew, but I can't hear him come back at the moment. Not sure if you can hear me there, Drew. November Yankee 202. This is 456. East coast of England. The county of Norfolk is standing by.
Okay, QSL, you guys. I'm trying to get in the door. You there?
Yeah, come on, Drew. We've got you back now. What happened there, my friend?
Something like that.
Ah, you broke it again, have you? Oh dear me.
No, the camera there, I had to check it, so I'm sorry it wasn't running right, but it is now. Yeah, I heard Richie out there at 456. QSL, I have a coffee on you, Rich. How are you doing today? Nice loud audio, 5 and 7. You're doing it. I don't know how I'm getting across the pond, but you're sounding good.
Yeah, QSL legend. Thank you for the flowers. Yeah, you are as well there, my friend. You are as well there. And yeah, just strange conditions again, I think, today there, Drew. Seems to be there, but not very strong, if that makes sense. But we can still copy each other, so that's all good there, QSL.
QSL, yeah, I have a nice copy on 444 also. You guys are banging in nice. So it's working while it works. I don't know how long it'll work. You know how erratic it's been lately, but it's coming in nice.
Yeah, Roger there, Joe. Yeah, appreciate flowers there, my friend. Yeah, it's really up and down there. Had a few days of it the same as well now there, Joe. I don't know if you've experienced the same your side, but they seem to be different propagation from different states. Seems to be very, very odd there. Normally when you get pop, it's just a big blanket over there, isn't it? They all seem to be as strong as each other, but the last few days there seems to be different conditions from different states. Some are banging and some don't there. It's very, very odd there, QSL.
Yeah, I know, Richie. I can talk all over the states in the evening. We have a QSL out there. Go ahead. We either had a QSK. I thought I heard a QSL. QSK got a deal.
Yeah, I'm not sure if that was this side there, Drew. I'm not sure if that was this side there. I did hear someone. I'll just put a call out if that's okay. Yeah, the QSK, QRZ, 456, standing by. Yeah, I've got nothing this way, Richard. Drew, try your side, my friend. Yeah, QSK there, Drew. Yeah, my ground wave's dropping off a little bit, Richard. I dare say it is for you, maybe as well. I don't know, I'm not sure. Mr. Drew, did you say there was a QSK out there on the frequency?
Yeah, I think Richard had him for a moment there. I think Richie had him. I'm just standing by.
Yeah, QSK, there's a local friend this side there, Drew. There was someone local to you there. His name is Nick. And just give him a call there, Drew. We'd love to talk to you there, QSL.
I copy Nick. Is that correct? I can barely hear him, but I did hear him in there.
We'll come back to you there, mate. Yeah, well, we can't hear you there, Drew. We can't hear you there, but he has lots of noise inside at the moment there, so until that goes, he's having a job giving you there, Drew, but you are making it there to him as well. He's about, I don't know there, maybe 15 or 20 miles away from me there, so he can hear you as well there, Drew. QSL?
QSL, yeah, I can hear him in the background in the back of the box, and but again, we have some other stations there kicking about. I don't know where they are, but tell him I said hello. Catch him again.
Yeah, QSL there, Drew. Yeah, I should have kept you again there, Jamie. So he sends his regards to you. Hopefully you can do when it's a bit quieter there, QSL.
There he is.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, send his regards to you there, Drew. And hopefully catch you there when conditions are a bit better there, QSL.
QSL, and I actually had him there. He was riding above it, so it's nice to hear his voice. This is New York 202 on the side for a moment.
Yeah, that skip has dropped off a little bit at the moment, Drew, but I've still got you coming in on about a 3 to 4 QSL.
QSL, I still have you at a 5 and nice audio, so it's probably doing what it does.
Yeah, it's coming up now. You're on the 5 now, Drew. Keep coming. Let's see if it rises a bit more, my friend.
Okay, I got to turn the switch on for the transatlantic cable.
Yeah, you just watch out for low-flying aircraft, my friend, QSL.
QSL. Yeah, you're coming in really nice. So, what are you running for antenna?
Yeah, I'm on the modulated 2, mobile antenna. I switched over from a Striker AR-10
QSL. Yeah, it's running really well. You got nice sound, and hard to believe it's a mobile antenna at 5,200 kilometers.
Yeah, I think the coil on it's a bit hot though, Drew, QSL.
Well, you wanted something to fry your bacon and sausage on, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm not going to keep for too long, but I'm just showing the meter now on the camera, so you can see what I'll be pushing. And this meter is actually quite accurate. It's not very far out. But yeah, I'm throwing you a fair bit today, Drew.
QSL. Yeah, I just had it slide a little bit out there, so I don't know if we're getting it or not getting it anymore, but I had a nice copy on you and it went zoop.
Yeah, I think I'll have to get some fuses into top there, my friend,
QSL. Yeah, you're doing really fine, so like I said, I'm just running the QT40 D104. We're back on that Astro plane after the last test. I know there's ice on that vector.
Yeah, Roger. Just a question, Drew. Is there any way you can turn your audio on that D104?
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, it's not running full.
What, is it running full now, Drew? You say it's running full now?
No, it's not on full.
Yeah, go on then. Try turning it up a little bit.
Man, I gotta get a screwdriver.
Don't worry, you won't break anything, my friend.
Alright, let's see if I got something handy.
It's the golden screwdriver, Drew. That's the one you're looking for, the golden screwdriver QSL.
Okay, there you go. There's 100%.
Okay, that's 100%, is it?
Yeah, that's 100%. 90% on the radio.
Yeah, well, it's not distorting or anything, and it sounds really nice. So, yeah, it's working, Drew. It's working.
Yeah, that's a good thing, but you want me to leave it there or turn it back down to where I had it?
Yeah, throw another mouse on the wheel.
Oh my. So that's, I'm going to leave it there then.
Yeah, that sounds really good, Drew, that dude. I think lifting it up that little bit more, I think it's actually better.
It sure is. I can see it in the amp.
Oh yeah, you will do, but also your signals come up as well. You're coming over at 7 that time.
Now talk directly into that microphone, Drew. Face on, directly into that microphone. Let me have a look at your signal. No, keep talking directly into it, Drew. When you was face onto it, you came right up to the 9, right up to the 9, Drew. Yeah, well, put your head in a bucket. Put your head in a bucket, so your voice rattles around it and echoes back, and it might go up to 30 QSL. If your radio blows up, I know you're going to be blaming me.
Well, put your head in a bucket. Put your head in a bucket, so your voice rattles around it and echoes back, and it might go up to 30 QSL. If your radio blows up, I know you're going to be blaming me.
Okay, did we have somebody QSK us?
Okay, Drew, go on then, you bring it in.
Is there a QSK out there? No, I guess not.
Well, I didn't hear anybody this side, Drew, so it must have been someone that you was dragging in their QSL.
Watch this. Oh, that's a QSL. Oh my, yes.
Well, that DT40 sounding good on that microphone today, Drew. Mind you, I am comparing it to yesterday, which was absolutely terrible, QSL.
QSL, I'm banging with some echo now, cousin.
Yeah, I didn't hear a word of that, Drew, QSL, L.
Oh my. Yeah, I turned it off. I'm having mercy on you.
What echo?
Excuse me. Okay, cousin, nobody else is trying to get in, but I got to take a break. I'm starting to lose my voice, and I know my coffee's cold by now. I hear Kate in the background, cousin. You picking up on Kate, any?
I think it might have been Richard calling back in, Drew.
Yeah, I'm going to be on the side, 444.
Okay, Drew, there was somebody come back to you there. I did actually hear them fading in the background. I'm not actually sure if it was Giles, 4388. But I couldn't be 100% sure, Drew, but yeah, we'll take a standby, my friend.
Copy on that. Yeah, it got muddled. There's a few others coming in, so let's sit it on the side. Maybe it'll get better, and if everybody else is hanging in there, yeah.
Okay, my friend, next out Toodle pit for now, standing by.
Well, guys, we missed some of that conversation, but it doesn't matter. We got a lot of it. Space noise. CQDX, Northern New York 202, calling out to Needlebender 01, Kate. I heard Kate. QSL, Kate, I can barely hear you. You're in the background, back of the box, but you're there. I can hear your audio, and I hope you're hearing me. I'm sure it'll improve. But anyway, have a great day. I'm here on the side. Let's see if it improves. Okay, Kate, Needlebender 01 out in the mobile. I do have you in the back of the box. I'll get you again later, I'm sure. You have a great day and get some of that skip, you betcha. That's a shame. We'll give it some time, folks. See if we catch a better run. She's out mobile anyway, so she might even be driving. You never know. We'll see.